Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the service. VPNsecure is located at https://www.vpnsecure.me. This site serves as the central hub for all things related to this VPN provider. Here, you can explore their various subscription plans, delve into their features, and get a comprehensive overview of their services. The website itself is designed for easy navigation, allowing potential customers to quickly find the information they need. From pricing details to server locations, VPNsecure's online presence aims to provide transparency and clarity. This focus on accessibility is crucial for users considering a VPN, as it allows them to make informed decisions based on their individual needs and requirements. Whether it's security features, connection speeds, or customer support, VPNsecure strives to present all relevant details directly on their website. Furthermore, the site likely includes a FAQ section to address common queries and concerns, and it probably offers contact information for direct inquiries to their support team. Beyond the basic service details, the website probably showcases the company's commitment to privacy and security, highlighting encryption protocols and other protective measures employed by their VPN. This allows users to assess the level of security offered and determine whether it aligns with their expectations. Lastly, browsing the website provides potential customers with insights into the company's overall ethos and approach to online privacy. This can be a significant factor in choosing a VPN provider, as trust and reliability are paramount in this space. By offering a detailed and user-friendly online presence, VPNsecure allows users to fully explore their options and decide whether their service is the right fit for their online security needs. They likely emphasize the benefits of using a VPN, such as enhanced privacy while browsing, secure access to public Wi-Fi, and the ability to bypass geographical restrictions on content.